Services. Here to do an instructional video on how to measure your pool table. We get a lot of calls and people state that they have a standard size pool table or regulation size pool table. And honestly, that doesn't really give us a lot of information. So what we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to measure your pool table so we know exactly what size table you have. So first of all, what we do is we will measure from the bumper of the pool table, okay, the nose or where the ball is going to bounce off from. We'll measure from there, and we'll come back and over here. And this is a 9-foot table, so it is 50 inches across. And if we measure across this way, it'll be 100 because the table, a 9-foot table, is 50 by 100. 8-foot tables, 44 by 88, so on and so forth for the different size tables. So that is how you measure your pool table, so we'll know exactly what size cloth to get you, what size rails to get you, and what we're dealing with. Thanks for watching, guys.